A really exciting lineup, and what a cool idea. This global open house concept came to us from our great leaders at Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty. I'll talk about that in the video. So basically, here's what we're going to do. We're going to show you these beautiful properties, and then after the video plays, we have agents representing these wonderful listings, and we'll do a quick Q&A, because obviously you want to hear from them and what's working in their businesses, and how the power of the brand and all that we bring to the table help them win these magnificent properties. So, Joanne, outside of that opening, what else do we have in store for these great team members?
Thank you, Chris. I know the tour is exciting, and we have our luxury collection specialist with us today. For you to get the most out of today, feel free to enter the questions that you have for our listing agents into the Q&A section of your Zoom room at any time, and we'll answer as many of those as we can during our question and answer session. Now, this event is being recorded. We know that you will want to see it again and again, and it will be available to you on the Resource Center. Well, Chris, our NetJet is fueled. The engines are revved. Let's trot the globe, shall we? Enjoy episode one.
Let's do it.
Let's do it of the Luxury Global Open House. Oops. Here we go again.
Collection agents, Chris Stewart here, and welcome to our very first global open house. This first episode is featuring properties over $10 million. And by the way, a special thank you to Pat Donnie and Odie Sierra from Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty for bringing the inspiration of this great idea to us, which was actually a part of a marketing presentation to secure an incredible waterfront listing in Fort Myers, Florida. Today, we are going to take you on a tour of that Fort Myers property, followed by properties from Las Vegas, Virginia Beach, Montecito, New York, and Portugal. So, to start us off, let's zoom on over to Fort Myers, Florida to meet Giovanna Fernandez. This magnificent residence, represented by Giovanna and Luis Fernandez with Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices, is offered at just under $16 million.
Servicing South Florida for over 25 years, the LRF Group presents our latest addition to our luxury collection. A harmonious blend of architectural brilliance and nature. Welcome to 1240 Coconut Drive in Fort Myers. Unobstructed Gulf access, this estate offers an abundance of splendor and privacy. Breathtaking grounds provide a grand entrance that's complete with lush landscaping and soaring palms. Inspired by the royal palaces of Europe, yet with a contemporary modern appeal, and professionally furnished to suit. For the entertainer in you, we have a chef-inspired kitchen. The second floor features an entertainment room, complete with wet bar, pool table, balcony with endless views, and state-of-the-art movie theater. The immense principal bedroom suite, privately tucked away upstairs, offers 5-star custom-designed bathroom, shower, soaking tub, and a huge walk-in closet that has been masterfully designed and organized. For the connoisseur, a custom 2,000 bottle temperature controlled wine cellar. The 7-car garage allows room for all your toys. The resort-style infinity pool and patio area offers spectacular waterfront views. Professionally designed gym with pro athletic equipment. So whether your heart is set on the thrill of downtown, the luxury of Miami Beach, a playground in the sky, or the West Coast waters, luxury is what we need.